down to your finger. Now, when that bird lands, you can give it a name, you can pet it, you can train it. That bird is yours to keep. So get ready, everybody. As soon as I tell you, you want to call down those birds. 1, 2, 3. Right away, guys, have a seat for me. Look off in the distance, guys. I'm about to, in a minute, you're going to start seeing something in a minute that's going to be pretty amazing to you, because here they come. Some of them are already coming over. When you see one you like, you give it your best shot, call them down. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Call those birds all the way down to your finger. Here they come, all the way in, all the way in, all the way in. Okay, catch him, catch him, catch him. You got him, guys. Have a seat with your bird. Have a seat with your bird. You got it, you got it. All right, I want you to pet that bird. I want you to have some fun with that bird. I want you to enjoy that bird. Oh, what a wonderful bird. It's, oh, what gorgeous birds. Everybody, I want to pass some money. I want to find out what kind of bird you captured. What kind of bird?
An emu.
An emu. Parakeet. What'd you get? Duck. Duck. What'd you get?
Eagle.
Yeah. What'd you get, sir? Good. What'd you get? Penguin. What kind of bird?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. What'd you get?
Eagle.
An eagle. What'd you get?
Velociraptor.
What kind of bird? What kind of bird?
Baby eagle.
Baby eagle. What'd you get?
Cockatoo.
Cockatoo. Very good. Well, you know what, everybody? I want you to take a look. That bird just became such good friends with all of you. So much so, we would just love it if all of you would give it a nice big kiss right on the beak. Just give your bird a nice little kiss on the beak. Oh, my goodness. Look what that bird just did. That bird just messed all over your pants. Why don't you just shoo that bird away, man? That bird just made you happy.
It's a bird.